Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to achieve the clean girl makeup look, one of the hottest trends right now. This fresh and glowing look will leave your skin looking radiant and healthy. If you're ready, let's get started. Prep your skin. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Moisturize. Use a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer to create a smooth base. Prime. Apply a primer that blurs imperfections and helps makeup last longer. Create a flawless base. Foundation. Use a lightweight, dewy foundation or tinted moisturizer. Blend well with a damp sponge or brush for a seamless finish. Concealer. Apply a creamy concealer to brighten under the eyes and cover any blemishes. Blend it well for a natural look. Powder. Set your makeup with a translucent powder, but use it sparingly to maintain a glowing finish. Define your brows. Shape. Fill in your brows with a pencil or powder that matches your natural brow color. Aim for a natural, soft look rather than a defined shape. Add a subtle glow. Highlighter. Apply a cream or liquid highlighter to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of your nose. Avoid powder highlighters to keep the glow fresh and dewy. Blush. Choose a natural blush color and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Cream blushes work well for a dewy finish. Enhance your eyes. Eyeshadow. Use neutral, matte shades that enhance your natural eye color. Avoid heavy or dramatic colors. Mascara. Apply a coat or two of mascara to define your lash. Opt for a lengthening mascara to avoid clumping. Finish with lips. Lip balm. Keep your lips hydrated with a clear or lightly tinted lip balm. For a bit of color, choose a nude or soft pink lip tint. Set your makeup. Setting spray. Use a hydrating setting spray to lock in your makeup and keep your skin looking fresh throughout the day. Tips: cologne minimal products. Less is more for this look. Use only essential products to avoid a heavy appearance. Blending. Ensure everything is well blended to create a seamless, natural finish. Hydration. Keep your skin well hydrated to enhance the dewy effect. This look emphasizes a natural, glowing complexion with subtle enhancements, so focus on achieving a radiant and healthy appearance. I hope you enjoyed this clean girl makeup look. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on notifications for new videos. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next video, and take care.